beautiful butterflies, welcome back to Dose of Elegra. I'm obviously Elegra if you didn't know, and if you didn't know, that means you need to subscribe now. So go ahead and do it before you even watch this video, before you even continue listening to what I'm saying. Just hit the button, like it's right there, like, you know, might as well. So now that you've done that, I hope, I'm finally gonna introduce this segment that I've been kind of already doing, but I haven't really given it my own personal name. But it is the From Basic to Bougie. Pretty much I take something that I get from the thrift store, something that I already have, and it's, you know, either basic or it's damaged or pretty much I'm not wearing it, you know what I mean? And I turn it into something better, aka bougie, you know, because I'd rather be called bougie than basic. Like, let's just be honest. Would you rather be called basic, or would you rather someone say you're bougie? Like, you know you'd rather be called bougie. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shirt, which is, you know, pretty basic, and I'm gonna turn it into something bougie and even better. If you're interested in any of these items that I make, I actually just started an Etsy store, and I'm gonna be selling a few items, and this one is what I'm selling in particular. I will be selling the shirt and skirt separately, basically because the shirt fits me very well, but the skirt, I'm like, believe it or not, I'm skinny, 5'8.5". I'm too hippie for it, so it's a big struggle to like pull it up over my hips. So, you know, I'm gonna sell it on Etsy. And if you are an Etsy shopper, just go ahead and follow me so you can keep up with everything I do and everything I make on my Etsy shop. It's called Exclusively by L, which is me. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this matching set from basic to bougie, keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start by measuring how long I want my skirt to be. It's about 16 inches long, and then I'm going to just cut straight across the shirt. Now I'm going to go ahead and pin and do a straight stitch on the slits to connect everything together. For my waist, I'm going to start off by doing a dart in the middle of the waistline, and then I'm going to go ahead and do 3 more darts on both sides of this middle section. So in the end, I have a total of 7 darts that I pinned and sewed down. For the waist, I just simply folded over once about 1 inch, pinned it down, did a straight stitch across, and trimmed the excess fabric. Off camera, I also sewed the bottom front of this skirt because there were no buttons all the way down the shirt, so I sewed the part that didn't have buttons to stop exactly where the buttons begin. Moving on to the top, the first thing I did was remove the pocket because that was just not cute. This is a very long process, so yeah, I did that. And then after that, I cut off the sleeves that I'm gonna save for my straps later on, and then I just did a straight cut across the top of the shirt where the V-neck ends, and then on the sides. This was actually too small, and I ended up using extra fabric and just cutting this down the middle and adding that fabric in between, so it's like a 3-section back, and it ended up looking way better. So yeah, just make sure you measure everything, guys, so you don't end up, you know, having to redo things, you know. And then I just sew it down when I'm done, and to hem it, I do the fold over method, and it's like a double fold, so there's no raw edges showing, and then I do a straight stitch across. For my straps, I'm going to take the sleeves that I already had earlier and cut about 2 inches off the bottom. Then I'm going to fold them over and pin them down, do a straight stitch on the edge following the natural seam I already had. These are my results. Then I'm gonna pin them where I want them and do a straight stitch across, and then we are done, butterflies. Now you are no longer basic and you are definitely bougie. You can definitely get this on Etsy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for your daily dose of Elegra. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Like, you need to subscribe. Like, now. Okay.